Yo, welcome to Eagle Eye Smart Parking. It auto-detects cars, tracks slots, and lets you control it remotely at parking made easy. Alright, let us jump straight into the demo. Here as the first car rolling in, sensor detects it. Gate opens. Car parks. Boom, first slot taken. Now the second car shows up. Same deal. Gate opens. Car parks, and just like that, parking is full, no slots left, simple. Displays, LCD shows welcome, gate status, and slots. TM1637 shows slots in real time, quick glance. You know what is left, remote control. Telegram opens or closes the gate from anywhere. Fun fact, LCD said nope during recording. Scrolling was wonky. Blame the LCD, not us. Open command opens the gate. Close command closes it, or from anywhere. Web dashboard, same as Telegram. Open or close the gate. Plus check temperature, humidity, available and occupied slots, and gate status all in real time, all in a clean interface. Link support to monitor everything from your phone or laptop. For this demo, we used the web interface on a laptop to keep it simple. When two cars are parked, all platforms show full. Link, 0 slots. Web, 2 occupied. Telegram, 0 available. So yeah, no more parking. You're out of luck. But once the cars leave, boom, 2 slots open again. Everything updates in real time across all platforms. Telegram also shows temperature, humidity, gate status, and a bunch of other stuff all in real time. Finally, that light bulb feature. We wanted to control a bulb via Telegram, but School Campus Plus Fire has an equal knob. LED it is. Now we can safely turn it on and off, proving remote device control works. That is it. Thanks for watching. Now I am off to find SpongeBob.